In this short video, I'd like to demonstrate the way to replace a component that happens to be authored with tube and pipe data. So in this example, I placed a metal gasket. I think it's just well, you can see the description over here. It's ASME B16.21, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I got it from the Content Center, and I just placed it using Place from Content Center. So I'm not even in a tube and pipe assembly or run or anything like that. But it still sees it as a fitting, so it shows it as having the tube and pipe characteristics, which is fine. The problem is if I go to replace it, because I'm not trying to do tube and pipe stuff, so I'm not trying to edit, change a fitting, anything like that. I just want to do a regular component replace. So I find component, do the replace, try to pick out a new part. Sure, it's the usual. Make sure you may lose constraints, but you get this error message. So come to find out that because it's authored with tube and pipe, you can't do it that way. But there was a really easy fix. If you click on the expanded component panel, you find the replace tool. You launch the replace command first, then pick the part, then right click, hit continue. Then you can find your replacement component. It'll still give you that constraint warning, but then it replaces it just fine. So it's a pretty easy solution, but boy, it just can save a lot of headaches. Now, I did not come up with this. I'm just making a video so that people can see it in action. But I want to give credit to Mark Lancaster from Synergist Systems. He was the one who clued me in on the solution, so I want to give credit where credit is due and just kind of get the word out. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know, but hope that helps, and have a blessed day.